Hey all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to TI Solutions. As a Zoho partner, we also provide a complimentary 30-minute consultation on Zoho Zakya support where we help you set up and streamline your retail operations. So, in the last video, we get to know about the Zoho Zakya billing application where you can create invoices in Zakya as POS, that is the front end, and here you can see on my screen this is the back end of Zakya, and here you can see all the dashboards, modules, inventory, sales, purchase, reports, etc. So here is the place where you are going to enter bills. So in this video, let's check how bills are entered in Zakya. For that, click on purchase module, and under purchase module, you can see bills, vendors, all the features related to purchase will be listed under purchase module. So you can create all the vendors under vendor. All the created vendors will be listing over here. To create a new bill or enter a new bill, click on new button. Choose the vendor from the list. If your vendor is not listed, you can create the vendor by clicking new vendor. So here I am choosing the vendor. Provide the bill number along with the bill date. Choose the items. So here I am choosing few items. Then I am providing the quantity. So according to the quantity I have provided, and this rate I have already set while creating the item. So if you want to edit this item while entering the bill, you can do as such. All the amount will be listed, like the equation for this is quantity into rate. So this is all this are be done by default. Click on save as open to save or create the bill. So that's it. This is how to enter a bill in Zoho Zakya. Thank you. See you in the next video.